good afternoon. So are we in Norway? Are we in Svalbard? Are we in Iceland? No, we're in none of those places. So we're back home and we're in the Lake District. Isn't it beautiful? And we're going to do a camp on Derwent Water, on one of the islands on Derwent Water. We're not sure which one yet, but to get out there we're gonna kayak out from the top end, from the point and scale end, and have a look, find somewhere suitable to camp, and maybe do some fishing, maybe have some drinks, maybe cook some food. So let's go and get on the boat. I'm also off on an island camp with me and Zoe in the boat. Hi! It's really beautiful, so yeah, let's get moving. It's going to be awesome if we don't fall out. So we just got off the kayaks on St. Herbert's Island. This looks like a popular place to camp. In fact, there's somebody camping over there. So we're just sort of contemplating whether we're going to stay here or whether we're going to go to another one of the islands. Sort of evidence of fires and stuff. So yeah, maybe we're just going to have a beer, chill out for a bit, and then decide what we're going to do. Stunning day though, absolutely stunning. I don't know who that is. It's just some weird guy walking around with a hat on. He doesn't look like a local. Let's just follow him and see what he does. The insect life is out.
You come a bit shallow and do the straps, get them nice and tight so you can pull your CFD down. Wait.
So I managed to get in the lake. Just go for a little dip. It's not warm. Okay, so we've moved over to the other side of the island now. We've found a campsite, so I think we're going to go and move the boats up and set up. Let's go and have a look. Well, this is where we kind of decided on. The water's warm, thankfully. So we've just got the boats out and moved all the gear. And I think we're going to head up into those woods somewhere and get pitched up. Looks like a great pitch actually, so we'll bring you back in a bit. Okay, so we're all set up and washed and changed, which is fantastic. And we've got the tap set up between a couple of trees, and we've got our little sleeping pod and X-Ped mat, so we're all good to go. So I think we're gonna have a beer and just chill out for a bit till dinner time. Touch the water.
Zoe says hi.
Morning.
Hello.
Right, there we go, we're all done. everything's away. We're just going to cover this little area back up with leaves and stuff, and get the boats in the water and head off. We've had a fantastic camp. It's been amazing. Right, we'll catch you on the water. Right, we're out of here. Well, so much gear. I'm trying to carry a load of stuff and film as well.
Anyway, because you're on the bottom of the rock.
Right, here we are. We're in the boat. Me and Captain Zoe. So, right. I guess we should go.
Right, back on dry land. Back to the paddleboard again. Are you filming this?
Yeah.
I might need a rest halfway.
Yeah. Well, that's it. We're all landed. Just putting the gate away. What a fantastic camp. It's been amazing. Weather's been fantastic. So, yeah. Back home and we better go and do some work. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.